Fidelity is offering fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. Hey you guys, back in October, Charles Schwab revolutionized the industry by allowing free trades and offering what was coming with fractional shares. Now, to the best of my knowledge, they haven't started that. But I saw a headline today, Fidelity beats Schwab to the punch. Fidelity started offering fractional shares of both stocks and ETFs on January 28th. Everybody, all the big players now are getting involved in this, you guys. Because of the online world and millennials' use of apps like M1 Finance, Robinhood, apps that were made investing low cost or in some cases free and easy to use. The big boys are listening, the big boys are taking note, and the big boys are wanting their share of the pie. Fidelity offering fractional shares. They actually beat Schwab to the punch. Schwab said they were going to bring it. Still haven't been able to find that it is actually happening yet, but Fidelity is. I know that Fidelity does offer mobile apps for both Android and iPhone users, as well as Windows or all the mobile devices are covered, as well as they have a very in-depth trading app on their online service. So what does this mean for everybody else? You know, they said that offering fractional shares is going to revolutionize investing, not only for personal investors, but also possibly for 401k plans to start allowing ETFs as options. As you know, mutual funds are traded once a day, so you can buy fractional shares of a mutual fund because it's open-ended. Now with the fact that fractional shares are available for ETFs in some cases, it may be, I don't know this for a fact, but it says it may be the opening of the door for them to start allowing them in some 401k plans and workplace plans. That would be pretty cool because, as you know, ETFs are low cost and saving money on fees makes us all winners, you guys. So anyway, new news flash out there. Fidelity offers fractional shares and it is online, available now. Thanks for stopping by.